So while these people are blindfolded, I'm going.
Did they record it?
Oh yeah.
Why they should play that?
Yeah.
Like a
Will you get that footage?
A wolf breathing.
Would you get that
Gotta
footage?
come from the chest.
That's
like a dog.
amazing. Do the breathing like the growling wolf.
You gotta pretend that you're a female moose that wants some dick. They're like meow, meow. That's what the moose does. The male moose, the bull.
Okay. Yeah, I go hands up, hands up.
That's how bad they want dick. Oh, it's a moose looking for pussy. It like gives you goosebumps. They're making it apart from the hips, like just chewing it and pulling it apart from the. And he's like, ah! And he's like.